Hey again, all you happy, smiling people inside a striking Viking on the outside of our newly rebuilt refrigerator. When we plugged it in and turned it on, it popped. So I'm scratching my head, and somebody said something about a switch. It's hiding behind this little metal plate here. And so I looked, and sure enough, there was a switch. And sure enough, the switch had popped. If you can see that little button there, I pushed it and reset it, plugged it back in, and it popped again. So in confusion, I reset it and then switched it over onto LP gas. Guess what? It worked a treat. The LP gas burner is hiding down in that little cavity there. And if you know what the pilot light in your stove looks like, it's just like that, just a little bit larger. So I ran it on LP gas, and wonder of wonders, the refrigerator started getting cold. But I still had that problem with the AC circuit. So I called the people who sold me this part, and I explained what was happening, and he said, check this element. This is an electrical element, and if it's not in the right place, it causes this whole chimney to glow cherry red, and then we'll continue to pop this thermal switch. So I followed his advice, opened up this cavity, pulled out a bunch of insulation, took the element itself, shined it up with some like steel wool, fit it back in there, and as I'm fitting it down, snap. Oh no, what now? I had broken these two little terminal lugs at the top. So I'm madly hunting around now. It's about 5:30 in the afternoon, and I found a couple of wire connectors from a neighbor. I had to modify them a little bit, but I put them on there, crimped them down, plugged it in, and wonder of wonders, it started working. Stuffed the insulation back in there, put this little shield back in its place, and it's been working ever since. Not just working, it works wonderfully. It's icy cold in that refrigerator now. So that is how we got it back in good working order. So remember, this tube here, it goes in and then it goes straight down. It's an electrode, and it fits into a little tube that's inside this is a chimney, and inside the chimney there's one large tube. By large, I mean maybe say an inch for the gas burner, and then another tube alongside that's welded to it for the electrode. So electrode back in, tested on gas, works, tested on electricity, works. We have refrigeration.